For decades, cholesterol has been treated like a villain hiding in your food. Eggs were blamed, butter was banned. Entire generations grew up afraid of breakfast. In the late 20th century, health advice told people to avoid cholesterol-rich foods, assuming that eating cholesterol directly raised cholesterol in the blood. But the human body, as usual, turned out to be far more complicated than that. Because cholesterol isn't just something you eat, it's something your body makes, uses, moves around, recycles, and sometimes mismanages. In fact, most of the cholesterol circulating in your blood never came straight from your plate. It came from your liver, responding to signals from your diet, your activity level, your hormones, and your genetics. So if high cholesterol isn't simply caused by eating too much cholesterol, what actually causes it? To understand that, we need to follow what happens to fat inside your body, from digestion to your bloodstream, and see where things can go wrong.
Number 1. Cholesterol is a transport problem, not a food problem. Cholesterol doesn't float freely in your blood. It can't. Fat and water don't mix. So your body packages fats and cholesterol into tiny transport vehicles called lipoproteins. These are microscopic delivery trucks that move fat through your bloodstream to where it's needed. Your liver plays traffic controller. After you eat, it takes fats absorbed from your intestine and repackages them into lipoproteins designed for circulation. Some of these particles are packed mostly with fat. Others contain more protein. That difference determines how dense they are and how they behave in your blood. The issue isn't cholesterol itself. The issue is how much, what kind, and where it ends up. High cholesterol problems begin when the balance of these transport particles gets disrupted.
Number 2, LDL isn't bad until it builds up. LDL, low-density lipoprotein, is often called bad cholesterol, but that label is misleading. LDL isn't evil, it has a job. Its role is to deliver cholesterol and fats from the liver to tissues that need them: muscles, hormones, cell membranes, and energy storage. Problems start when too much LDL stays in circulation for too long. When LDL particles bump into damaged or inflamed blood vessel walls, they can slip inside and get stuck. This triggers inflammation. Your immune system responds by sending white blood cells to clean up the mess. But when there's too much LDL, those immune cells become overwhelmed. They absorb more fat than they can handle. They malfunction. They die. And the cycle of inflammation continues. Over time, this creates fatty plaques that narrow arteries and make blood flow less stable, increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. So LDL becomes dangerous not because it exists, but because it accumulates where it shouldn't.
Number 3. HDL is the cleanup crew. High-density lipoprotein works like a cleanup and recycling system. Instead of delivering cholesterol to tissues, HDL collects excess cholesterol from the bloodstream and vessel walls and transports it back to the liver. There, cholesterol can be reused or eliminated. HDL also reduces inflammation and helps stabilize blood vessels. That's why it's commonly called good cholesterol. High cholesterol problems often involve too much LDL, not enough HDL, or both. And here's the key point. Raising HDL isn't about eating cholesterol, it's about improving how your body handles fats overall. Movement, exercise, and metabolic health play a major role in keeping this system balanced.
Number 4. What you eat matters more than you think, but not in the way most people expect. Dietary cholesterol has a small effect on blood cholesterol for most people. Your liver simply adjusts its own production. What matters far more is the type of fat you eat. Saturated and trans fats send signals to your liver that increase LDL production and reduce LDL clearance from the blood. These fats are common in processed foods, fried foods, fatty meats, certain oils used in packaged snacks. Unsaturated fats do the opposite. They improve cholesterol balance, reduce inflammation, and support HDL activity. These fats are found in fish, nuts, seeds, olive oil, whole plant foods. Fiber also plays a huge role. Fiber slows fat absorption and helps remove cholesterol through digestion, reducing how much re-enters circulation. So it's not eggs versus no eggs. It's overall fat quality, fiber intake, and food combinations that shape cholesterol levels.
Number 5. Why some people have high cholesterol even when they do everything right. Here's the part that frustrates a lot of people. You eat well, you exercise, you avoid junk food, you follow the rules. And yet, your cholesterol numbers still come back high. Meanwhile, someone else eats fast food, barely moves, and somehow has perfect cholesterol. This isn't unfair, it's biology, because cholesterol levels aren't controlled by diet alone. They're controlled by how your body processes cholesterol, and a huge part of that is written into your DNA. Some people are genetically predisposed to produce more LDL cholesterol. Others have LDL receptors that don't work efficiently, meaning cholesterol stays in the bloodstream longer instead of being cleared by the liver. So even with a clean lifestyle, LDL can accumulate simply because the system that removes it isn't working optimally. This condition isn't rare. Millions of people have inherited cholesterol processing quirks without knowing it. And lifestyle still matters, but it can't completely override genetics. That said, lifestyle can absolutely make things better or much worse. Smoking damages blood vessels, making it easier for LDL to stick and trigger inflammation. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which pushes the liver to release more fat into circulation. Poor sleep disrupts hormone balance and worsens lipid metabolism. Long periods of inactivity slow down how efficiently your body uses fats for energy. On the flip side, movement is powerful medicine. Both aerobic exercise and resistance training help lower LDL and raise HDL, not because exercise burns cholesterol, but because it improves how your body uses fats and increases enzymes that support cholesterol clearance. Your muscles become better at pulling fats out of the bloodstream. Your liver becomes more responsive. Your HDL particles become more active. Exercise doesn't just change numbers, it changes the entire system. And when lifestyle changes aren't enough, medication isn't a failure, it's support. Statins, for example, reduce the liver's ability to produce LDL cholesterol. Other medications increase how effectively LDL receptors clear cholesterol from the blood. These treatments don't erase lifestyle habits, they work alongside them. High cholesterol is rarely caused by one bad habit or one bad food. It's the result of long-term interactions between genetics, diet, activity, inflammation, and metabolism. Which brings us to the most important takeaway of all.
Thanks for watching Cool Dude Explains, where comedy meets curiosity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite myth or question in the comments. Stay curious, stay cool, and I'll see you in the next video.